What do you got here?
Oh, I got some Moto Billet lock and ride anchors. They're pretty cool, but we want to show you how to install them really quick so you can install them the easiest and the fastest way possible. Basically, we've got 3 ways of installing them. You decide which one you like. This is how the lock and ride comes. You've got your billet tie down point, you've got your rubber grommet, and then you've got your washer and your lock nut. So to install it, all we're going to do is we're going to take off the lock nut, the washer, push the billet clamp the billet part all the way down and start turning clockwise. You will feel it getting tighter. That's because as you turn, the rubber part comes up and squishes it and it starts expanding in the hole. I'm gonna get it as tight as I possibly can with my hands only. Don't be using any type of equipment to get it tight. It's already tight. Just from that, I can't even pull it out. Then if you want, you can take the washer and the lock nut, come down here to where it is, put the washer on, put the lock nut, put the lock nut on, and then if you want, you take your ratchet, get on the lock nut, and just snug it up. You don't want it super tight, you just want it snug. Right about there. Make sure it's on, make sure it looks pretty, perfect. That's the first way, that's the way I install it personally. The second way is you don't have to put this lock nut or flat washer on. If you want to just put it down in with the rubber grommet and expand it, that's still pretty strong. Adding the washer and the lock nut basically helps it so that if you're carrying some heavy cargo, that it's not going to pull out. The last option is all you have to do is unthread that, keep the plastic washer on there, and basically do everything I just did but without turning it. Put this in, orientate it where you want it to go, and then put the lock nut on, put the washer and lock nut on. I have to do this all in one. It's kind of a pain to get to this one. And again, just snug it down. You don't want it super tight to where it's starting to cup the washer. You just want it snug. It's not gonna pull out. But either way, those are the couple ways that you can install the billet lock and ride anchors.